let us once more dismantle another propaganda. Don't forget that we are always ready to take you fact to fact. The issue of this plate number, go. Ayagwago na ya hapuzi unu ka okwu asị unu na thrive na Facebook these days anymore. No way. If I remain as Zion ministry wo, all na that dinye prophecy. Let's say no okpolo. Amaka Okonkwo. Ngozi Okonkwo pụta. Ajụọ ukele afago. Ikwu no Ngozi Okonkwo maka ndị ya pụta aka nkụ ụfọdụ aya wule Amaka Okonkwo. Ewe screen o ha. We nweta onye wa Amaka Okonkwo o ndị wa Amaka Okonkwo. That same thing na-emekwa na number plate. Akpọ number plate moto. Ndị mmadụ etu esi wee kpọ number ahụ ịma na the three numbers wo na-emixiri emix. Mana ama nke dadi ikpọrọ with the number close rie. Ndị mmadụ pụsta iseta number plate moto hu enene ye wee confirm wo na ngụ onye prophecy ahụ daalụ. That was exactly what happened. So onye ahụ je seta number plate ye pụta gosi. Now ha just water the clip ebe onye gosi number plate ye for confirmation. Hapụzie na ife unu na-eme bonyi son. Unu nwere too much time o. But just like I said, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, as controversial as etu unu si claim, he has made more bloggers richer. He has put more money in your pocket. And onye ya wunu kwa afe video na aga. Onye ya wunu kwa afe video na aga. Unu je wopụta so ebe ahụ ọbịa gosi number plate just for confirmation. There was nothing about that video it confirmed na that prophecy for that person. And a male state in Zion. Into a influence we go say ayari go say more than 3, 4, or 5 number plate like that before I confirm what onye nke prophecy aware. Cut and join video unu na-eme ayenyelo na aka. Una advice is na Zion. Advice ya no nwono. Ebonyi son, J Park and ndị otu advice ya no nwono. Apama is a blogger, is a content creator like you people. Unu na bidolu. Unu sonande na nisi. Look at the success of Apama. Look at Roro Nko Bosia. Look at some prosperous Igbo content creators like Executive Nando Tue. Look at even Onyo Obodo Rice and the rest of them. Look at the level of success had a record. Don't ask me, don't ask me, because most of the things in Goma where you declare more nature content in one day, then when you before better into content creating. So don't even talk about Ezugo. Don't talk about Ezugo. Most of the things in where you say, one day, and when years back before I came into email content. So don't call Ezugo. Don't call Ezugo. You get the point? Concentrate and strive. Advise yourself to do what Onyobodo, Executive, Apama, name them. Those guys are content creators in the East that are doing very well. Nedu Wazobiafa. Name them. Chifimofa. What is it that these guys are doing that we are not doing? On an HCR cloud with half and the pastor. Onye nyelu endorsement ego ne otirim una amagari or announce oye benine odoka yasina na World Bank we bata. You people should advise yourself. Stop advising a man who has gone far in ministry than even some of his fellow should even be tapping from his grace. And you are look at Ebony son na Japan. Look at you people advising Evangelist Ebuka Obi, a man who has engineers, doctors, people from different professional fields who are listening to him. A man who will men of timbers and calibers listening to him. He's a man you are advising. Advise yourself and take your career serious. You guys are left behind. Upon even in unu still unada aga forward, unada aga backward. Onye gota of nonsense where he see or announce where kunenu ayabafuorie. Very simple thing. Ejeha, a make cut and join that video. buru ye mapụta na Facebook ozugbo were ye bịa sell ọ na-afịọtụ. I've just told you what happened in the case of that number. Abịanye prophecy moto ka nkụ enwere so many numbers ya ihe fix ịmananụ ewote ije seta nke ego ịbịa gosi ya a confirm wo ha je pick water picture ebe abịa gosi that the number plate onene ye ha ebidozie number dị ife. Is that, did you see where it was confirmed that not that number can you advise random moderators? Who are you advising? Advise yourself, because you need that advice. You need to progress. You need to do better in this area of blogging. Stop wasting your time and your career chasing after men who has gone more than 1,000 miles from where you are starting. Those men you are trying to advise are not anywhere in the league of people when I supposed to read if you I just want to say for the sake of clarity. And amen and them. A lot of people are put for a confirm with the screen. Ije wetebe imamado ne biagosi number plate. Imamado ne biagosi number plate. If you say pay attention to nkedu exactly similar to nkapolo a capture yozubo sisi na ene no ofuma. Nyopuvenu apama ha na achu ego. No na scrutinize was Evangelist Ebuka Obi. What to what? Ono shokwadi ipe ego na Facebook o. Apama na egbu kelafafa chifi mofa. And then will go on chase cloud. They waste the time. On analyze the video Open Heaven and the Evangelist Ebuka Obi Zion prayer movement. You people are even more active in that page than most people who are even Zionites. Yeah? I got the one you dan danabo. Ojegu ifobu pono. Onye obodo nwe mgbo misi track chi suru no nonsense ya. Along the line or realize ya no na move away from ifo sign for or abandon unu jewalo mana ojubo unu continue unu mebe nie e wata go agbacha ọsọ agụọ mile. Advise yourself. Advice is an Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Evangelist Ebuka Obi can appoint more than 50 people in different professional fields and career to advise him. It is not you. May go do something about that career is I know for. Key excel. There are content creators that are doing well, doing fantastically well. They are scattered all over. Strive go do so that you can do better and improve now your career before you go and start advising somebody. You want to go? Okay for you. I just say make I tell you. I take you head to head. There is no room. Oh go on go. Go on those days in Bunu develop. No window waiver. We are here now. You want to go? And you in a back you want to go? I ain't by them borogo. Gone are those days in Bunu Deba. No one then again to find it. More people are listening to us now, the same way they are listening to you. So you cannot claim to be the master propagandist now. Ibu have propaganda. Hey. That was how the title of Okwan, you know, somebody's way lose way. Okwana ne kono keta. Ikwa keta ya do wagon one. What I go? Okwa and you know by force. That is exactly what we are doing now. So gone are those days in Bunu Devela. No champion never. These days, when you talk, I sang and I sang people here again to refine a can you even now with Amu? What I go? Can I go the Eba? Ezu go one noon, okay, or 4 and I don't know.